Hi guys, I'm Alikbar with UVibes. Today we're going to learn how to create a master detail form or you can say master line form in Oracle APEX manually. So let's start. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. So let's start. So guys, please follow SOPs regarding COVID-19. So let's start. First of all, I'm representing demonstration to you how example would be worked after creating. Okay, so let's start. In the front of your screen, I'm creating two region interactive grid. I'm press a master detail. I'm pressing on a sales department. You can see sales entry, say dependent entries in the below region are in, you can say, in the total region has been shown in front of you. So let's start in our example for creating a popping or example in Oracle Apex master detail form. Okay, let's start. So let's start. I'm creating a page. I'm creating a blank page because I'm creating a manual master detail form manual relation. I would create a manual relation between master and detail. So let's start. Manual master detail or master line detail. I'm press continue. I'm pressing next button. And now I'm assigning navigation. So I'm press assign navigation master detail. Next, pressing next button. At the last step, result of press finish button or blank page has been created. I'm saving, and when I press run button, Apex represent to you showing you a blank page which we created in our example in our video tutorial and showing in the front of you. Okay, so let's start. I'm press creating a region, create a region, assign any name. I'm assigning the depth. Okay, I'm sending interactive grid type interactive grid. Okay, I'm sending a table name. I'm sending name dip. So guys, here I'm using department and master table because the department and master department and employee table, these tables have relational between relation master and detail. I'm creating for you for this tutorial for my channel. You UVibes that I'm saving. When I'm pressing, you can see showing depth number location. I'm just follow this. When you create, please follow this step which I'm demonstrating this example in this video in this tutorial. Okay, so let's continue. I'm going to attribute, assign editable, save. Second step, I'm assigning depth number. I'm assigning this is a primary key. I'm going save and refresh this region. You can see awareness, and now I'm creating a second region. I'm sending the amp or the tail. I'm sending interactive grid type. Now I'm sending table name. I'm signing amp table name because amp table has a child relation between depth and amp. So in other words, you can say amp has a parent, a child table of depth. Amp. Okay. When I'm saving, I refresh. Care. I'm just delete some below column. extra column, or you can say below column. When I'm pressing any department, you can see no appearance or no effective on detail region. All data represent in this table region. So I'm just changing these steps. Please follow these steps which I'm doing here. So I'm press M. Now I'm going to master detail entry. I'm going to here assign master region, which is or tutorial in which were declared or created in this example. In tutorial you can see this is a depth which we created. Now second step, you can say in second step in this detail region, I'm going to depth and assigning this is a master relation. This table has a master relation between parent and child depth, because depth here and depth number also present representing in this column, and this column has a relation between master and relationship master and detail. So I'm pressing save button. When I'm correcting, refresh this button. When I'm pressing any, I'm pressing accounting. This is accounting data preview. When I'm pressing, you can see I'm pressing research. Research detail region or research department related employee has been shown in this region. So guys, this is a step. This is a basic step for creating master detail form in Oracle Apex. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Ali Akbar with you vibes. Please follow COVID-19 SOPs. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.